In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover hacked TikTok with no access to linked phone under a minute. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, when you open your TikTok, you're going to be welcomed by this login page where all you want to do is click on the top left question mark. Now click on recover your account and you're going to be taken to this page. As you can see, recent logins are also going to be shown. You can directly log in from there or just click on enter username and search your username. Make sure that it is correct, by the way. And click on search. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and show you the methods to verify your identity. You can simply go ahead and do any of these or just click on need help. And now click on submit a ticket for email support and simply go ahead and fill out this problem. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. For more queries, drop a comment and I'll see you on the next one.